Hello, welcome to our recorded class. This is the November 28, 2004 class. So welcome to this class, Yumika and also Zainab. Let's start first with our date today. Today's date, it is November 28, 2004. So that's our date today. Let's circle our date on the calendar. This is our date today. And it falls on a Thursday. So how about let's fix the screen, let's erase this one, and let's move on to counting our numbers. So let's see, we have our numbers from 1 to 30. So how about let's count. You have to count with me and then I will check the number for you. So we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So those are the numbers that we counted 1 to 30. Now that we're done counting, how about let me introduce you to our number friend today. For today's lesson, we will do the number 9. So here we have our number 9. When we make our number 9, you make the head of 9 around, make a loop, and go down. Number 9. Again, around, a loop, line down, number 9. Last one, around and a loop, go down, number 9. Let's mark and count for our numbers. So here we have our dots. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have our number 9. When we do our tally marks, this is how it should look like. How about we make it here? I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliding down or 5 is going down, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So here we have the tally marks or the counting sticks for 9. The dice, let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's also 9. And what about our blocks? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now for our word 9, we have N, I, N, and the letter E. That's the word 9. So here we have our number 9. Okay, next one. After the number 9, we'll also have our writing here. So let's practice writing for our number 9. If you have your board, your marker, and your eraser, you get to do this one. Are you ready? Did you prepare your materials? Let's work on number 9. So I'm showing you our number 9. How do we make it again? A loop and a line. Go down. That makes a 9. So again, make a loop and then a line that makes number 9. Last one, a loop and a line that makes number 9. So here, when you make your number 9, always start from the top. A loop, go back up, line down. A loop, go back up, line down. So we have our what number? Our number 9. That's our number friend today. Now, let me show you something else for our screen work. And it is our game time. So we'll need to check the pictures here that show 9. So let me move this one to the side. So here we have the things that has number 9 and the other number. So we get to sort the things that show 9 or that is number 9. So let me fix this one. We'll get to work on this one and sort them. So let's mark and count and check for our bears here. So we have, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is not number 9. That is 7. What about for the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9. So let's move this one here. Number 9. Okay, another one. Is this our word 9? S-E-V-E-N, 9? No, that's a different word. That is 7. We don't need that one. That is the number 7. Okay, what about for another set? Let's mark and count for the frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have our number 9. It shows 9 here. Let's move this one. Okay, after 9, let's check again. If we're done with this one, how about this one? Does it show 9 also? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. Do not put it there. That's different. That's number 8. How about the fingers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8, not number 9. What about this group of bears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That shows 10, not 9. How about the fingers again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have our number 9. Let's put this one here, number 9. That shows 9. What about this one? Let's check if it shows 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That shows 10, not 9. Is this the word 9? N-I-N, 9? Yes, that is the number 9, the word 9. So let's paste this one, the word 9. What about our bears? Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have our number 9. So let's put this one here. That's 9. So we completed our set that shows 9. We have 9 dots in the dice. There's 9 dots in the 10 frame. It shows 9 fingers. This is the word 9. And we have 9 colorful bears. Let's erase the writings on the screen. And now let's jump to the next part. And that is to do your work. So I have here page 57 of your book. And it shows the number 9. So let's trace number 9 around, up, and down. 9. N, I, N, and E. The word 9. Let's trace for 9 around, up, and down. Again, around, up, and down. That's the word 9. Trace again for 9. This is our number 9. This is 9. Let's continue tracing for our number 9. And now that we're done with 9, I hope that you also written your name at the top because we always write our name to show that it is our work. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. Let me erase this one and let's move on to the next part. And that is to circle the number 9. So what I do with this work, I have to check per column. So the first column, this one, going down, we have 9. Another one, where is your 9? This one and this one. Okay, number 3, this one, where is 9? This one. Number 4, where is your 9? This one as well. And the last one, where is 9? This one and this one. So we have all our 9s already on this page. Let's count how many we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we found 7 number 9s. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. Let me erase the writings and I'll jump to the next part. And that is to do the number 9. Trace it again and you get to color the 9 bunny. So trace your 9, spell out for 9, N, and the letter E. This is the word 9. I want you to color for the pictures. Color your pictures for the 9 bunnies. So let's color. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last one, we have 9. Now, it says here in the instruction, color the 9s black. We'll need color black to color this. So we have, this one is 9. This one is also 9. Another one. This one too. This one. And the last, number 9. So how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 9s that you need to color inside our boxes. Are you finished with this work? If you're done, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Now, if I am very fast showing you our work here on the video, it is okay. You can pause the video and you continue answering. Now, let me erase that one. I'll get to trace for our number 9 here. The next one is to trace and write for number 1. So you have number 9. Sorry, not 1 but 9. So a loop and a line that makes a 9. A loop and a line that makes number 9. So we have our number 9. Make the loop, line down, number 9. So we have our number 9 here. Now, the next part, you'll also need to trace for number 9. This one, you'll need to trace all your 9s. Remember how to make it. Make a loop and a line. Please trace all of your number 9s. I won't do it here in the screen, but you get to do it on your work there. Pause the video. Play it again once you're done. If you're not yet done with this one, I'll be counting on from 1 to 5 and I will move on to the next page. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll jump to the next one. The next page will be, for this work, we need to trace for number 9 and the word 9. N, I, N, and the letter E, 9. So let's trace for 9. Around, up, and down. Around, up, and down. Around, up, and down. Around, up, and down. Continue making your number 9. You get to also write the number 9. So see here, I am doing 9 on the screen. Now, it says here to draw 9 hexagons. I am going to show you how to make the hexagons. Hexagons has 6 sides. So we have 1, 2, 3. And then go down 4, 5, 6. See, that's a hexagon. Again, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So let's check. Did we do 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 2 more to go to make 9. So this will be 8. And the last one will be for our number 9. So there are 9 hexagons that you see on our screen. Now this should be the work that you'll need to do on your book. Now if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's erase for the number 9 here. And let's do our page 63. Trace the number 9. Trace the word 9. N, I, N, and letter E. The word 9, we have N, I, N, and the letter E. Write the digit number 9 around, up, and down. Trace 9 around, up, and down. Around, up, and down. Trace some more for 9. Some more number 9. Number 9. Now that we're done with our 9s, let's go color for our bunnies. You will need 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there's 9 bunnies on our screen. We colored it. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. I love to jump to our booklet, and you'll need to write for your name in the first part, in this part that says name. I'll jump to our tracing here. The next work is to trace again 9. Practice tracing around and down. Around and down number 9. Around and down number 9. You have to write all your number 9s. Next, you get to trace the word 9. N, I, N, E. Again, let's trace and write for 9. We have N, I, N, and the letter E. Let's do it again. We have N, I, N, and the letter E. Another one, N, I, N, and the letter E. So we have what word? Our word is 9, the number 9. So let's erase this one. Let's jump to the next page. We're done with this. But always remember, if I am too fast, you can pause the video. You can play it again once you are done. Let's read for our sentences. Make a line for the correct picture. I see 4 paint colors on the palette. So where is it? This one. Next, I see the number 9. Where's number 9? Make a line. This one. I see 9 jelly beans. So where's the jelly beans? Let's match it. And let's check, is it 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9. So we have our 9 jelly beans. If you're done with this page, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let me jump to our maze. So I want you to check per row if it shows 9. This row doesn't show 9, but we have this one and this one. So when you work on this page, you can use a dabber. This one is 9, another one, and this one too. Next, number 9, this one, and this one. The next set, this one, and this one. So we have all our number 9s in the maze. Now, if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase and let's jump to pasting for our pictures that show 9. So how about let's match the right ones? Let's check for this one. Mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have these pictures that show 9, only 9. This one shows 9. How many people do we have in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Let's paste it also inside. How many lights? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. How many candies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. You cannot paste it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. So the sprigs or the leaves show 9. Let's paste. How many teddy bears do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10, not number 9. Let's check for the nails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Let's paste this one in the booklet. Does this show 9? Yes, this is number 9. So let's see. We have all these pictures that show 9 or has 9 items. Let's erase. If you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. And remember, cut first your pictures before you paste them so that you will know what to put in your booklet. Let's jump to the next page and we're almost done with the work. You get to paste and sort if it shows 9 and does not show 9. So let's always mark and count to be sure. How about the fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This shows 9. Let's paste for 9. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also not 9 but 8. The dominoes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That shows 10, not number 9. What about the sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is sliding down. Then you have 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that is 9. We get to move this picture here in the 9. How about the dots in the frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That doesn't show 9. This is 8 in the other box. Last one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. Let's put it in the number 9 box. I forgot to put this one. This goes here in the other box. It's other numbers. That is 10. Let's erase the writings on the screen. And this is how your last page of your booklet should look like. All the number 9s here. And this column doesn't show 9. And now we are done with our work. And if you finish all the work for today, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, try to finish everything. And how about for your sticker friend? For Zainab, I'll check the ones with the rainbow for you. This is your sticker friend. And for you, Mika, I'll choose the ones with the strawberry for you. But you get to choose your sticker friend also. I'll make it big. Let me fix this one. I'll make the screen big and you get to see your sticker friend. So you get to choose also. And if you're done choosing, I think I should end the class right now. You can go back again to see the sticker friends if I am too fast. I'll see you again in our next class. Bye-bye.